Did you see it?
Yeah, I felt it. I told you a second ago that I felt like something stole my bait because it got lighter, but check this out, guys. This is my first fish through the ice of 2018 here. On a little pill and some waxies. It's a nice bluegill right here. This is a keeper. I don't know if I'd be keeping them out of this golf course pond though, but here it is, man. So gotta get a quick picture. All right, guys. Shane strikes first.
Ding, ding, ding. Hey, good job, buddy.
Nice. All right, guys. So welcome to Fishing POV. Ice fishing for the first time this year. Bouncing a pill off the bottom here, trying to catch some bluegills. Just got my first fish of 2018. That's actually pretty awesome. I didn't even think about that. First fish of the new year. So that's pretty cool.
Great job, buddy.
Do I hint a little bit of jealousy?
No, not at all.
Oh, hey, what happened? I thought you were getting ready to go do something different with the tip-ups.
I am. Shut up.
Alright, guys, so back at it. Let's see if we can get some more. Get a couple more bluegill like that. I might eat them out of this golf course pond. I think the key is literally stirring up the bottom a little bit. That was a nice bluegill.
That was a really nice bluegill.
Yeah.
That was...
I was kind of surprised, actually. You got a fish, dude. You got a fish? Mm-hmm. Yes, you do. Crappie? No, another nice bluegill. Look at that. Awesome. Already getting a bloopers reel going. Did you want to do something with the tip-ups or no?
Yeah, right after I catch one more fish.
Okay. You got that smaller pill on?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's about the same size as mine.
Is it?
I think mine's a little bit bigger. The one thing I definitely know about ice fishing is that the bite is pretty light normally. Are you recording? Yeah, I'm sitting here just talking to myself. Erich is notorious for going, "You recording?" Like right in the middle of recording all the time. Or, is the sound on? After we've dropped an F-bomb or something. Look at that beast of a bluegill Erich just got. I felt like something was watching mine, and the next thing you know, I watched it go off the sonar here, and then the next thing you know, here he is, slaying one. Oh, just had a nibble. I gotta come up. I'm just kidding. Erich is slaying him over here. Well, that's good because it's pretty much his gear, so. I got two Erichs on the board with, I think, 5 or 6.
It's 5.
Okay, we are on bottom. That one didn't want to leave. Got him.
Did you?
Yep. Got him.
Ooh, that looked good.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
That's a nice, another big one. Oh, he was barely hooked, too. Oh, yeah, you get a nice fillet out of these. I'm just wondering if I grow an extra foot or something like that if we start eating them out here. I don't know how deep it is over here, but it looks like there was a ton of holes over there. It didn't seem like there was as many over here. You know, you kind of like got him. Oh,
Did you?
Oh, this is nice. Look at that.
Nice job, bro.
Is this on?
Look down. Yeah.
First bass of the season, guys.
Dude, I think he hit mine.
Oh, look at that. We gotta get a picture.
You want me to just take a picture of mine?
I got it. It's no biggie. Thanks.
Dude, I think he hit mine because you remember when I said I got a bender?
Yep. That's pretty cool.
It pulled it.
Oh, yeah, that was, he definitely pulled it hard.
And then...
Awesome. First bass of the season, guys. Tell right away, too, man, that it was a big fish. Well, compared to the bluegill we've been catching. This is awesome, dude. Boom. We will never be home in the winter now. Well, unless it's like 2 inches of ice. Got one?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, me too. Oh, I missed it. Wow, look at that one. Oh, they got my bait finally, dude. Oh, here we go. Come on. Fish on.
Dude, what's... Oh! My God. Look at that thing.
Oh, that's big. Come on. Got him.
Nice.
That thing is... Dude, there's 2 more on there. 2 or 3 more on there. Look, see? 1, 2, 3. You can't ice fish without one of these anymore. That totally helps. Because, you know what? I was on the bottom, and these things were suspending about halfway up. And I followed them up.
Oh, did you?
Yes. And that's when I got them to hit. And then I just started, like, bouncing it right in their face. Alright. Alright, that's tip up. Got him.
Nice.
Got him?
Yeah.
Nice job. Probably another little one. Oh, what do you got? Oh, it's a big one. Got him.
Nice.
Ah, yeah, look at that.
Wow.
Another nice one. Here's a little bigger.
That is nice, bro.
Awesome sauce. I seen that one on the sonar too.
Pretty good move.
Yeah, so far it paid off once we got him to
I believe so.
come over here. Oh, dude, look at him, look at him, look at him. We're not even down there yet. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So they're down there. You just gotta get them.
I think we're just a little closer to something that they can hold to, and I think that's why. And then once some of them see a little action, then the rest of them want to come over here. Got him? You got something? Yeah, you do? Wow, just like open water.
Barely had him.
I don't have nothing. I'm sitting here calling fish on for you again. Got him. Oh, missed him. Dang it. Let it drop, let it drop. Where am I at? Got him. On the drop. Again, yep. Oh, got him.
There you go.
Awesome. Alright, just gonna put some more bait on.
Do you need a puck?
Where are we? Yeah. Thank you. Nice job. Here it comes. Here it comes. Got him. That's it too, man. Look at that. Wow, that's a nice one. Look at that. Holy cow. That's a beast, dude. That won't put mine to shame. Boom. That right there, it's a little bit of a keeper. Really? Got him. Got him. Awesome. Alright guys, so we got out here, had a bunch of fun on the ice, caught a whole bunch of bluegills, nice crappie, a little baby bass, just sitting here jigging these little ice pills with a wax worm on it, just bouncing it off the bottom. The deeper smart sonar has really helped out with its ice fishing capability here. It's worked out really well. Enjoyed using that and learning how to use that. So you guys go check that out. But we're gonna call it a day here for the most part. We're probably gonna only be out here for maybe another 20 minutes or so, and then jet, get everything all packed up and out of here. So don't forget to check out the links at the end of the video. Hit that subscribe button at the end of the video, and thanks for stopping by Fishing POV.